Okay, guys. So, magpa-play tayo ng Roblox.
Yeah, guys.
Tower. Ayoko yung tower na yun, ang pangit.
Kasi sa tower ito,
Slap tower, lang.
easy sobrang easy.
Hindi sobrang easy yun.
Sa akin, easy yung slap tower ito.
Etong slap tower.
Slap tower 1 yan Met iyo, last na.
So, yeah, finish namin.
Yung slap tower.
And I have a new outfit. Look at my new outfit. It's cinnamon roll. I have a new face and stuff.
Guys, she doesn't have Robux. That doesn't cost Robux. It's just 0. I don't know why it's here, but it's good.
It's in my inventory. I got it.
I don't know why she got it.
Nakuha ko sa OB eh.
Don't know. She don't have Robux.
Sa OB.
Oh yeah, guys.
Ako nasa color blue na ako. Nasaan ka? Ay. Sabi, lagi ka.
Ako nasa color blue.
Color blue?
Oh.
So, yeah.
1, 2, 3. So,
Ako ata mauuna. Tapos, inaber screenshot pala sa baba.
oh yeah! Nasa taas na ako
Dali, baba ka na. Buba na ako.
Nasa blue
Dali, ang tagal mo na.
Whee!
Dali, screenshot. Oh, yeah. Dito. Dito.
Nasaan ka na?
Ito, sabi ko nga dito ngay.
Naman.
Dito, bakit ka dyan? Wait lang, para sa mga tao dyan. Wait lang, baliktad. Paano na yan? Hello? Wala, yan na lang. Tapos na eh. Wait, kuha ko muna yung secret.
Ako din.
Oh, magaling ako dito. Save that.
Sarap nga.
I'm a queen card. Oy! Somebody followed me, but it's okay because I'm gonna do the secret. Yeah. We're gonna go and do the secret. I'm gonna do the other one too. This is the slap tower 1. There's no slap tower 2.
No, meron slap tower ito Meron.
Saan? Wag na. Mamin. Ito
Meron
na.
slap tower ito
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko ito na-play.
At guys, yung secret,
Ang secret katabi ng red. Yung carpet. Ay, nako! Sino yun? May nag-troll. Nahulog siya. Nag-troll kaya ako.
yung nag-troll siya doon, tingnan ko pero hindi na-slap, pero na-slap niya. Magsasayin ka lang.
Baby, pop electric. Baby, pop electric. Take a long ticket to my house. Take a long... Lapit! Isa na lang! Nahulog. Wag yun ang huwag mo yung secret na
Oo nga.
Tapos pag nag-restart ka, mawawala. Night na? Hindi pa ata night?
Hindi. Oo nga hindi pa na. Tagal pa yun mag-night.
Bilisan mo, ang tagal mo. Nakita ka?
Nahulog ako.
Ano ba? Huwag mo ko i-push. Pinupush ako ni Ino Bear.
Bubble pop electric. Bubble pop electric.
Okay, focus mode. Nag-charge ako kaya may safe charging ako sa video. Lapit.
Tonight I give you nana, I'm an island.
Tonight I'm gonna give you all my love. Tonight I'm gonna give you all my love. Hindi. Tonight I'm gonna do it, baby.
I'm just a girl.
Just a girl.
Malapit na!
Lapit na din.
Nagagawa ko yan pag sa cellphone ni mami eh. Pero pag sa cellphone ko,
Kalang ka easy. Gusto ko igawa mo na yung secret. Lagay ko muna yun dito. Tapos go. Ay!
I give you nana,
Tonight I'm gonna na. Sabi. See you later, alligator.
Tumarama. Blow a fish, jellyfish. Big baboon, big baboon, big baboon, big baboon, big baboon.
Kala niya. Nahulog naman ako. Ay, shut up. May tumito. Malami si boy. Oh my gosh, bro. That, oh my ladies, how you feeling? Your hair, no matter if
Tonight I give you nama, I'm not standing. Or cut electric.
I love you.
Tonight I give you nama, I'm not.
I hug Arlo first. If you don't know what Arlo is a dog and we all love him. We also call him little boy, baby, and then Arlo. This is real name though. Then the pickle work up part. Against the wall.
Ain't no shame, tang.
Oh, ang dami nagsaslap. Gusto ko lang itapos yung secret. Hindi naman yun mahirap eh. Tingnan mo, na-fix ko na din fit ko. Hindi na kumukan mo. I wasn't near back there. I'm good. Oh my God!
Oh my poop, please, I just wanna do
I have a pimple beside my eye. It's like right there. And I have one on my nose. And I scratch. Oh my God. I just want to be focused, guys. We're gonna try and be serious. So I'm not gonna talk, okay? What you gonna do with that dessert? I'ma eat it. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Tonight I'll give you
Oh my God! Look at the little boy. His nickname is Little Boy. Yeah. His nickname is Little Boy. We all call him Little Boy, but his real name is Arlo. Like the dinosaur. Dinosaurus. Bubble Pop Electric. Pas maano. Should we get this or not? I think we'll see. I think I got karma.
nahulog ka ng kinakita.
Hindi ako yun. Oh my God!
Ano, may nagsak sa akin!
Bubble.
Hi, it's orange. Hi, I'm mango. Hi, I'm strawberry. And now
We're the Strawberry Squad. I'm actually the voice of it. If you don't know, that's my biggest secret.
hi, I'm orange. Hi, I'm mango. Hi, I'm strawberry. And where? Tapos yung next nila yung
Wow.
tapos marinig nila ato.
Dapat pala matagal para makuha. Dapat matagal, like, take your time, tapos
Hala, may nag-troll.
Just put it. Inibiran, would you X? Muba to din eh.
If you done what you X, really extra one, extra, extra one, no extra money.
Oh my God! I think I got karma for doing that to her, guys, I think. But it's okay, because we're gonna still do it. Karma gets you, you know. May audio ba to? Pag walang audio, ano ko, furious ako. Nagawa ko lang to. Just for nothing. Nobody will want to be your friend. Oh my God! She actually helped me. Like, yes, she helped me. The only place where it is. Ibang server muna, guys. Ibang server muna.
Ibang server, guys, kasi mahirap kasi.
Yeah, kasi ang daming nagtutroll. Ang daming magtutrolls. Ayan, ito. Parang walang ano na dito.
Tingin ko na ikaw.
Yeah, go.
Bubble tap.
There's...
Parang same server lang.
Di ata. Ayun, di ba?
It's just
Oh
so
my gosh.
same.
Oh my gosh.
Same. Bro, oo nga, same.
Lapit na! Didn't sing? Walang nag-gift sa akin.
Ano ka pa iba dito?
Yung kaiba dyan, walang nagsaslap sa akin pag pumunta ako doon. Pas ano dito? I think matagal yung vlog na to. Happy Happy for probably Simsung Samsi ha? Dele! Nakakita kita. Dele, dole. Isa, dalawa, tatlo yon.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
PR Sanzuru.
Dito.
Acting cool again. Yun lang alam mo eh. 10. Sampu. Rainbow's left, I wanna get it.
8, 10.
10. Siya, pia. Go.
Isa, dalawa,
Yes.
tatlo, apat, lima,
Look at that. You can just look at this. Let me just look at that. You're gonna win that. I'm just looking at it.
Isa, dalawa.
Look at that.
Ay, wait.
Yes. I got it, Tinapur. I got it.
No.
Yay. Yes. I'm gonna die because I don't want.
Tonight I give you nama.
Okay, it's okay because we're gonna still have it though. We're gonna get the silver one. Yes. Let's go. We'll go get the silver one. Oh, continue na. No place with this. Bajo na is porteño nina. Place with this. Bajo na is. Ah, face land, face forward face. Di mo kaya. It's okay. I don't want it.
Take another. Fuck another.
Look at my legs. I love my new outfit. Let me show you that new outfit.
Isa, ano yun?
Look at that. It is cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh, I love cinnamon roll. My favorite character. I like my Melody in cinnamon roll. I just love those colors, white and pink.
Isa, dalawa, pa.
And probably pom-pom pring. I love
Isa, dalawa,
yellow
tatlo,
too.
apat, lima, anim, pito, walo.
get the yellow one. So,
Hindi ko nga alam yung...
do you know Micha Ina Fua Fua Bianca? No, you don't know that. Sorry,
Alam mo ba yung pink thing?
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Ice cream yun eh.
Oo nga yung sabi. Kasi paano wala?
Hindi ko alam. Acting ko na naman. Dati na yun eh. Okay, nandito na ako sa green eh. I got this. So, I'll show you guys.
Bubble. Bubble.
So, I got this one. I got the silver one. I got this one. I don't know what this. This one's the flame one. This one is the regular white one. That's very boring and very sad. So yeah. I don't know if I do it. Yes. Oh my god. Yeah. We're gonna get another hour to get up there. Mag-feel pink.
Please just stop it.
Hindi ka naman ganyan akmo pag ano, ganun ka.
Please, I just wanna do this.
Kawaga. Mali pa, ha? You have the secret ladder over there. Tin, 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 tin.
Sa cellphone ni Mami nagagawa ko yan, pero ngayon
Okay, you better, yes, troll them. Bro. Sorry. Huwag ka mag-sing. Nasa color pink na ako. Pero sa pinakawala ko na eh. So guys, I think matatapos natin to.
Hala, Ate Biel, kalimutan ko na nag-record tayo.
Hindi kayo.
Kalimutan ko nga eh. I'm not lying.
Dying.
Hala, paano mo alam na naglalay ako?
Diba?
Joke lang, hindi ako naglalay.
Tapos fake pa rin yung laugh.
Oo nga, fake naman yung talaga yung laugh.
Pangit ang laugh mo.
Fake kunaris, pak kunaris, kunaris, pak.
Yes. Wow. Okay, let's go to the circles. Now we're gonna go here, go up, jump. Okay, jump. Inuberting naman, bilis ko, oh.
Fake kunaris, pak kunaris.
Bilis ko talaga. Ilan na lang?
Yandas.
In one shoulders, yes. This one is the first one.
You are disrespectful.
Like, Nair is going to do this thing. And you can see the people that's trolling. See, that girl is trolling. Oh no, she's not. She's innocent. She's innocent, so we're not gonna eliminate her.
Yung mama, guys, may voice chat ako.
So, pala ate kayo yun eh.
Hindi.
OMG.
Ako, sa akin, meron talaga ako voice chat ko.
Yes.
Meron ako voice chat.
Hindi ako magaling doon. Nobody's listening to you. They just want to see the finish. Gusto lang nila makita yung finish ng bear, pero hindi mo yung ginagawa.
Hindi ko yun ginagawa ko.
Nasa pinakababa ka nga eh. Yes! Parang hindi na nakulog doon. Hindi ka naman gano'n eh. Yan. Dito ako nahulog eh. Wah. Yes, sir. Yes. We did it. Look at. Ay, wala. Yung taas na natin. Yes. Go.
Okay, so I'm gonna
Go.
Okay.
May audio ba to? Pag walang audio, I'm gonna be very sad. Kaya nasa color light blue na ako.
Ako na sa ding red. That is something.
No, there's no red here. Wala naman color red dito eh. Okay, guys, ang lapit na natin. Dapat pala, hindi ko na ikaw sinama. Tignan mo guys, oh. Ang cool. Picture ito. Yay. Hello, bear! Stop! Diba, fake kayo ko ngayon eh. Okay? After yan, color po. I'm so excited, guys. Yes. Huh? Look at the... So, now we're gonna go here. Yeah. Chicken. Banana.
Chicken, banana,
1, 2, 3, 4. Look at down that is. If I fall, I'm not going to take that up. Never stop. Dito kita. Gusto lang nila makita yung finish. Tapos hindi mo binabigay. Baba ako. Tingnan nyo guys, nasa na ako. Color blue. Wow. Pag hindi nyo pa nakapunta sa color blue, look, it matches my outfit. I love it. Look at it. That is my outfit. It's color blue. It's not the same kind, but okay. Oh. Yes. Yeah! Yun ang nagawa ko!
Tingnan?
Just wanna love you like.
Okay.
Di mo kaya. Yes. Nahulog ako?
Alam mo kung nangyari.
Nahulog ako? Tapos, pero hindi sa pinakababa. I can still get it though. Ako, basa yung ko, damit ko. Okay then. Please lang.
Alami po.
Pag talaga, naglalag ako, tapos,
ginagawa mo lang, pero pag hindi tayo
naglalag, tapos,
masising pa lang eh.
nahulog ako. Ay, di ba naglalag, parang ganon, kaya ako nahuhulog.
Hindi ko nga naglalag eh.
Naglalag ako dito.
Titignan ko yung
Hindi ako nag-walk. Please. I just want to win. Please. I'm gonna pray. Wait lang, bukas ko muna siya. I think that's my karma. I don't know what I did.
But it's not.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you na, Reza.
Yes, I did it. My praying worked. Yeah, see, I did it. Naglag ako dito eh, tapos hindi ko nagawa. So yun guys, nagawa ko yan. Tapos dati hindi ko nagagawa, tapos nakita ko yung may TikToker na Tapos yung ginawa na, pumunta siya sa side, tapos nag-jump. Kaya yung ginawa ko, so I did it.
Why are you
Look, nasa kulay ano na ako, tingnan mo. Ay, naman, tingnan mo. The only place so it tastes pakoray. Kiri ore ya. Ay, nako. 1, 2, 3. Ay, yes. Lang, naglalag na naman. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Nag-pray na naman ako. Gusto ko sana itong magawa. Tapos it's my time to shine. Yes. Wait, didn't go. I don't think "damn" is a bad word. OMG. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. Now we can just go up here. That's okay, guys. OMG. Eat a bear! The only place to handle. Huh? Oh, you can go here. Yes. Yan, nahulog. Pero hindi sa pinakababa, so I can still win it. So I'm gonna pray. Yan. So. I don't think I'm an old master. I think I'm just an ordinary girl. You can still wait here for a second. Now we're gonna go back. Ay! Oh my gosh. Yes. Nandito ulit tayo sa brown, guys. Nahulog ako eh. Kailangan yan. Kailangan yan, diba? Kailangan yan sa inyo. Diba, nag-lag, hindi na nag-walk. Kaya yun na yari dito. Kung saan talaga ang malapit na nag-lag na. Dito ulit tayo. 1, 2, 3. Yes, nag-lag na naman. I hate lagging. Please. Yes, please. Taglag-lag. Muntik na. Just gonna go and walk here because I don't want to waste my time just doing it. Wait, basa to. What if I just fall down? No, please. I won't die with this. Look at this, guys, and we're so high up, like I cannot. My trypophobia will not. If this was real life, it will be very. My hands will be shaken, awaken. Oh, hurrah! You can just take damage if you want. Oh. One hard gun, guys. Very hard. Very hard. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko magawa yun. Basa to kasi sa tawa. May ano?
Yung nasa trolling park tapos ang hirap na kasi.
Basa. Ew. Ew, basa. Sorry for the background music. So, about yun eh. Yung music. May bisita kasi kami. Tapos, favorite nila yung song na yun. Kaya, I'm stuck on that page always. An hour was still...
Gagawin mo, pinulog kasi pinulog ba?
Hindi, okay lang. I'm just gonna do it again. But I might get angry and do another game.
Ako din, puro sa to. No, tiny.
Hang yourself. Oh. I very hate it. I don't know why I cannot do that one thing. Rosta. Diba? Nagaganon-ganon. Ang lalag, diba? Oh my gosh, I quit. Look at that. Diba? Hindi naman nakaka-jump. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Mag-pins na guys. Namula tayo sa pinakaba. So, yun na yung end of the vlog. Hindi namin natapos. Pero, nakita nyo lang, ang lapit-lapit. Kaya, yun na lang, may picture na lang.
Bye-bye.
Nag-quit na kami, rage bit.
Bye-bye.
I got stuck.
Oh my God.
Slap mo nga ako, pataas. Late naman yan.
Kasi first slap to.
Gawin mo yung malaki.
Wala. Rainbow slap lang. Ganun.
Slap mo na. Kala mo.
Ako try mo na sa akin.
I think I'm gonna troll a little bit.
Nag-aano ka pa? Nag-record ka pa?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye.
Wait lang, gagawa ko muna. Yan guys, bye-bye na. Nag-rage na ako tapos hindi ko na nagagawa.
Bye-bye!
Wait lang, punta na tayo dito.
Thanks guys for watching.
Dali go!
Like and subscribe. And that's all. Bye-bye.
Punta ka dito. Wag ka sumama. Wag. No, get out. Dali. Oh my gosh. Load. Ay, ka pala yun. Sorry. Ayan guys, dali. Ang daming tao eh. Tagalan mo. Sige, tagalan mo pa. Ako na lang. Kaya go out. Get out. Somebody's... Tagal naman. Ibang na lang server. Taas muna tayo kasi this girl is raging that me.
That girl slapped me. Okay, she's gonna come back again.
Dali, bilisan mo.
Slappers.
Dito muna tayo.
Oh, you're gonna get it, bro.
Hindi naman nagana. Dali, ang tagal mo na.
Oh.
Ano ba yan? Dito ka na nga sa baba.
Okay.
Wait, wag dyan ka lang.
Ba't ano yung nagagawa? Yan yung na-slap.
Ang tagal mo. Sige, tagalan mo pa.
Yan.
Yun guys, tapos na. And thank you for watching our video. Please
subscribe.
like and
Bye.
subscribe. And follow us. Bye guys.
Bye.
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 Ooh. Get out. Bye-bye. Wait lang. Yes, we're gonna take out the video recorder. So yan guys, bye-bye. Thank you for watching our video.
Bye.
Bye.